Welcome to Sreenath recipes. Today we will see how to make crispy baby corn fry. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Boil 4 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of salt and add 200 grams of baby corns. Cook this for 3 minutes. Turn off the flame, drain the water and keep it aside. Take a bowl and mix 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped curry leaves, and a little salt. Add water little by little and prepare the batter. The batter should be in this consistency. Now add the baby corns into the batter. Mix well and ensure that all the corns are well coated with the batter. Keep it aside for half an hour. Heat oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Drop the corns one by one and fry till it turns golden brown. Now it's ready, take it out. Crispy baby corn fry is ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.